Hi, this is Robert Radcliffe, and welcome to one of our great new homes listed for sale here in Malibu at 3631 Serra Road. This home is located in Serra Retreat, Malibu, and for those that are familiar with this neighborhood, as we all know in real estate, location, location, location. This location is ideal for here in Malibu for a number of reasons. Number one, you're walking distance to the beach, to Surfrider, an iconic surf spot, world-renowned, first, second, and third point. And of course, Malibu's Pier. In addition to the short distance and walking distance to the beach, you're a short distance to all the shops, restaurants, etc. here in Malibu. And that's one of the ideal situations with this home is not only, again, the walkability. You're in a 24-hour guard-gated community, which there's only a few here in Malibu. Again, walking distance to the beach. You've got horse trails, hiking trails. You got the monastery up the street, hence the word Serra Retreat is named after that monastery, which is gorgeous to take walks up there. And this whole community to walk around is absolutely breathtaking. So between maybe taking your convertible for a short drive down the private roads here of Serra Retreat to WholeFoods to do your shopping, or a bank and commerce, take a bike ride, or as many do here in the community, having their own private golf cart to just golf down to the beach or golf down to the shopping. There's no other place here in Malibu like Serra Retreat. This home, as you can tell, it's kind of a hybrid of a Craftsman style with a modern elements throughout that you're going to see. I call it kind of a rustic, warm, modern style house. It's just under 4,000 square feet. You've got 5 bedrooms. By the way, of course, we're going to see everything inside. You've got 5 bedrooms upstairs. By the way, these 2 garage doors are kind of cool. They're carriage doors that open up this way. Obviously, as you can also tell, it's a gated home within a guard-gated community. So come on in, follow me through the house. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. And we're going to come out here in a little bit through the backyard and side yard, but in the meantime, come on inside the home. Obviously, you got this really cool kind of entry, high ceilings, big open floor plan, and that's the beauty of this home. So you've got this lovely formal dining, clearly a great big formal living space. By the way, all 3 fireplaces in the home are gas starting and wood burning, which is really nice. Coming around over here, because during the day and at night, this vantage point looking out, because you got twinkling lights at night over here across Malibu Country Mart, and you got Pacific Coast Highway. A little glimpse of the ocean view here, which we're going to see more of in a moment. And then, of course, at night as well, this area is completely lit up. Really, really pretty. And on a hot summer day, this area is shaded, which is really nice to kind of sit out here. But there's three other sitting spaces outdoors, so we'll take a look at those in a moment. This is also, in my opinion, a really lovely vantage point back into the house. Throughout the home, you're going to see murals, a number of them. The good news is, if you find that there are too many, you can easily paint them and take them away. So check this part out of the house. Boom! Now, I don't know on your lens if you're able to see, because there's probably a big glare, but that's all ocean view. And once again, you've got wood-burning fireplace here. And check out this great big open kitchen, top-of-the-line appliances, Sub-Zero, Viking stove, or oven, Viking stove, Miele dishwasher. This is a chef's dream. In fact, a professional chef lives here. Come on upstairs. Oh, before we do, powder room here. Downstairs, just your standard laundry room. Take a quick peek. So I'm going to take you through this way. Once again, there's 5 bedrooms upstairs. One of them is used as an office. This room here being used as a TV room / second family room. And if you would slide around over here, you can see this great ocean view. And I know I've already mentioned it, but once again, at nighttime, it's just as spectacular with the twinkling lights of PCH and these sunsets. And we're going to be over here in a moment too off the master suite. The sunsets are like a constant changing painting. They're so gorgeous, especially this time of year. So this bedroom here is a Jack and Jill bedroom with the bathroom here. Excuse the massage table and the yoga mats in the shower. And once again, this bedroom, because this has a closet, that other room had a closet, this room's being used as obviously an office space. And once again, I love the murals. Many do, but in case you didn't, a nice white coat of paint will get rid of it. Bathroom here to service these 2 bedrooms. Notice the great tile work, sink. Here's one of the guest bedrooms. This may be a tough time to capture this because the sun is literally glaring on our face, but look how spectacular this view is. This bedroom is more of a bedroom suite. Look how big it is, clearly enough for 2. Once again, you're going to have great views, sunset views, ocean views during the day, twinkling lights at night. I want to take you back through here again one more time because I forgot to point something out. Tons of storage space up here in this attic, and up here, tons of storage. This ladder can be left to service. Kind of a cool area up there. Taking you back through here. And once again, this is one of the other bedrooms, currently used as a second TV room, family room, obviously Peloton, kind of a yoga room. We call the meditation room. And now step on into the master. As you can tell, completely redone, like basically a brand new master suite. This whole home had been completely remodeled 4 years ago. So a nice soaking tub to enjoy your ocean view, your sunsets, nice glass of wine at the end of the day. You've got a rain shower, double head shower, walk-in closet, decent size. And boom, master bedroom. It's nice with the bed here. You've got amazing evening views. I've mentioned it several times, the twinkling lights at night. Watching Pacific Coast Highway, the cars at night from literally sitting in bed. Or, no joke, from these 2 chairs on 4th of July, this is where you get to sit and enjoy your fireworks, because the fireworks will literally be celebrated right above PCH and Malibu Colony. And as far as the location, Anthony, are you able to see through? Like, as far as location, just to point out a few things. So you've got all of your Malibu Country Mart and shopping is right here. You've got Webster Elementary. You've got horse riding rings right here. You've got tons of trails for horses or for just hiking. You've got the monastery. You can see the crucifix through the trees up there, which is such a beautiful place to take walks. And once again, you've got gas starting wood burning fireplace. And one of the things I'm going to point out, and I'll talk a little bit maybe more in this video or another, is regarding value and on the pricing on this home. That home right there, the dark roof, just sold for $5.3 million. It's 2291 square feet, does not have an ocean view, similar lot size, doesn't have guest parking. Based on a cost per square foot, which sold for a little over $2,300 a square foot, would put the value of this home over $8.4 million. So clearly at its asking price, it's a really good buy for this location. And there's a number of other comparable sales that I'll discuss later, either in a separate video or with your real estate agent. So once again on this location, you're literally walking distance from the beach. So after a nice day at the beach, sand, etc., surfboards, and you want to clean up before going back in the house, we're going to take a look at the yard. And this is the area to do it. So once again, Anthony, if you wouldn't mind, kind of pan back through here for a moment, because I forgot to mention, at night, all of these trees are lit. This whole landscaping area is lit up at night. You've got that outdoor fountain lit up at night. So it's actually a really pretty place to come in the evening as well. And coming through here, obviously surfboards have been put away to clean up for the video, but this is stack your surfboards, hose to clean off. And then check this out. You've got a great area to sit up here. I'm going to turn this water fountain on in just a moment. Have it off so you can hear me. But you've got two water fountains. One from here off your jacuzzi spa. One that's running off this wall, which I'll turn on in a moment. Great sitting space up here. Once again, you're going to have your sunsets literally over this mountain ridge. Really pretty place in the evening too. Obviously the pool lit at night, the spa lit at night, the house lit at night. Great place for entertaining after dinner. Obviously area for sunbathing. And then this great area as well. This awning, hangover awning. This is lit at night. This whole area is lit up. You've got a fire pit here. Obviously plenty of room for outdoor dining. I was going to have the outdoor movie theater installed, but we've had some Santa Ana winds today, so didn't want it like blowing around. But this area here, literally set up at night with couches, outdoor furniture, big screen TV, such an ideal spot for entertaining. You've got literally family movie night, watching your big screen TV, your fire pits on, you've got your outdoor built-in barbecue. The entire perimeter of the house and all the landscaping is lit at night. So this whole area, shooting up that pine tree, it's gorgeous. Inside here, we have a very small but separate office space. Come on back in. And as mentioned, let me just put this, by the way, it's a smart house, Sonos, Lutron, security system, and then, which is really cool, waterfall, everything done from your phone. Which includes the Lutron system at night. So if you're by chance coming home from dinner with some friends and you want the whole house turned on to a certain setting from your own iPhone, click on evening or entertaining and all the lights on in the entire house will turn on for a certain setting. So once again, thank you so much for coming and taking a look at this home on video. By all means, come take a look at it in person. It will not disappoint. Have your agent call us or call us directly at 310-317-9900. Once again, 3631 Serra Road here in Serra Retreat, Malibu. And as previously mentioned, this location is phenomenal. Like, by all means, ask any real estate agent that knows Malibu, any Malibu resident, and they're all going to say the same thing. There is something super special about Serra Retreat. This area is really magical. And just driving the streets, walking the streets, anyone can tell that this is one of the most special places in the world. And thank you very much for watching.